If you need to contact Telegram support, this video will walk you through the quickest official method step by step. Whether you're dealing with a login issue, account problem, spam concern, or another Telegram-related question, this is the place to start. And before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to telegram.org/support. This is Telegram's official support page, and using the official site is important because it helps make sure your request goes to the right place. Once the page loads, you'll see a support form where you can explain what you need help with. In the problem description box, clearly describe your issue in as much detail as possible. Be specific here because the more accurate your message is, the better chance you have of getting a useful response. For example, explain what happened, when it happened, and what you've already tried. Next, enter your full legal name. Make sure the name matches your official identity details as closely as possible, especially if your issue is related to account recovery or verification. After that, enter your email address. Double check it carefully because this is one of the main ways Telegram may contact you back. Then, enter your phone number. Make sure you include the correct country code and verify that the number is active and able to receive messages if needed. Once all the details are filled in, review everything one more time to make sure there are no typing mistakes. After that, click Submit. Your request will be sent to Telegram support, and you can wait for a response through the contact details you provided. And that's it, you now know how to contact Telegram through the official support form. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.